Welcome to the top best. The best 8-foot table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, offering ample space for everything from large family gatherings and holiday feasts to crafting projects, board game nights, and even as a temporary workspace, making it an indispensable addition to any home seeking functionality and flexibility. Number 5. Best Choice Products 8-feet Folding Table. This table boasts a strong, easy-to-clean surface made from high-quality plastic, thicker and more durable than other brands. It can support up to 300 pounds, making it incredibly reliable for all your needs. Perfect for any occasion, this table is ideal for outdoor cookouts and parties, or as a serving and display table for indoor events. Its versatility makes it a great addition to any gathering. With powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet, this table stays firmly in place. You can trust it to remain stable throughout your event. Designed for convenience, it folds easily with a side lock and handle. Taking it on the go or storing it away is simple and takes up minimal space. No assembly required. Just unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and it's ready to go. Enjoy immediate use right out of the box. What we like. This table is built to last with a thicker, stronger top and impressive weight capacity. If you need a reliable surface for heavy-duty use, like large gatherings or as a workspace, this is the one for you. Its portability makes it ideal for frequent setup and takedown. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The size is perfect for our family gatherings. Number 4. GoPong 8-foot Portable Beer Pong Table. Elevate your next gathering with this portable 8-foot table. It's crafted from high-strength, lightweight aluminum and includes 6 Pong balls to get the fun started. This table is regulation size, perfect for tournament brackets. It measures 8 feet by 2 feet and stands 27.5 inches tall, weighing just 25 pounds. Be the center of attention at any event. It's a must-have for house parties, BBQs, tailgates, campsites, and holiday weekends. Don't worry about spills. Its durable melamine playing surface is beer-proof and can withstand even the rowdiest parties. Just remember not to leave it out in the elements. This table offers the best of both worlds. It's incredibly strong yet lightweight for easy transport. Enjoy your favorite game anywhere, anytime. What we like. If your main goal is to host epic game nights or parties, this is your table. Its design is optimized for beer pong, and the beer-proof surface means easy cleanup after a wild night. It's lightweight, making it easy to bring to any event. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that is easy to clean. It comfortably seats 8 people, making it perfect for family gatherings and dinner parties. The design is classic and elegant, fitting well with various decor styles. Number 3. Flash Furniture 8-foot Granite White Folding Table. Need extra surface space for your next gathering? This table offers a dependable solution for indoor or outdoor events at home, school, or business. It comfortably seats up to 10 guests, making it perfect for parties, conferences, barbecues, and much more. Its foldable design with locking legs ensures easy transportation and compact storage. Plus, the non-marring floor caps protect your floors. Constructed with a waterproof, impact, and stain-resistant tabletop and durable locking legs, it's built to withstand years of use. No assembly is required, and it supports up to 661 pounds. You can start setting up for your events right away. What we like. For those who need a robust and professional-grade table, this option stands out. Its high weight capacity and stain-resistant top make it perfect for commercial events, large parties, or even as a sturdy work surface. If you prioritize durability and a clean look, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for game nights. Assembly was straightforward, and it looks great in our dining room. The surface is smooth and durable, easy to clean after use. Number 2. Smiry Waterproof Elastic Fitted Picnic Table Cover Set. Introducing our complete picnic table cover set. It includes a table cover and 2 bench covers, designed for 8-foot rectangular tables and benches. Everything you need for a perfect outdoor dining experience. Don't worry about spills or stains. This cover features a waterproof surface and backing, protecting your table from leaks and wear. Simply toss it in the washing machine for easy cleaning after use. Enjoy your meal without interruption. The elastic edges ensure a snug fit, keeping the cover securely in place even on windy days. No more hassle with covers blowing away. Crafted from premium polyester, this cover offers excellent protection against spills, stains, fading, and scratches. It's built to withstand various conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability for all your outdoor adventures. Available in various colors and sizes, this set adds a touch of elegance to any gathering. Perfect for dinner parties, holiday meals, or casual family get-togethers, it enhances your table's appearance. This set comes with a handy drawstring bag, making it easy to store and carry. It's the ideal companion for camping trips, picnics, and any outdoor activity where you want a clean and stylish table. What we like. This product is for anyone looking to protect their existing 8-foot table and benches. If you frequently use your table outdoors for picnics or camping and want to keep it clean and protected from spills and weather, this set is ideal. The fitted design ensures it stays put, even on windy days. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 1. Smiry 8-foot rectangle waterproof tablecloth, 2-pack. Introducing our premium table covers, designed for exceptional protection. With a waterproof surface and secure backing, they guard against spills, stains, and wear, no matter how you use them. Enjoy your outdoor gatherings without worry. The elastic edges ensure a snug fit, keeping the cover securely in place even on windy days. Say goodbye to tablecloths blowing away. Crafted from high-quality polyester, these covers protect your tables from spills, stains, fading, and scratches. They are built to withstand various conditions for long-lasting use. Keeping them looking fresh is simple. Just toss them in the washing machine for easy cleaning. They maintain their quality, color, and durability even after multiple washes. Available in various colors and sizes, this set includes 2 elegant table covers. They add a touch of style and class to any event, from casual meals to formal gatherings. What we like. If you need a practical and economical solution for protecting your tables, this 2-pack is a great deal. It's perfect for those who want to keep their dining or outdoor tables safe from spills and wear, and easy to clean. If you value convenience and protection from multiple surfaces, consider this option. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The surface is smooth and durable, perfect for everyday use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.